You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 37. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Break up the fraction. Simplify the fraction. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Add 2x to both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 17 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 37.